So I have to remember this for next time. Because I remember a couple years ago when I came here, there was one guy who really liked me. And it's gotta be Sam. You're my buddy? Yeah, look at that. Yeah, you're my buddy. Alright, this is our drive on...
Sorry.
It's our drive on Longboat Key. This is where I've been coming since I was a kid. It's like our hangout. A home away from home. I remember actually many years ago there used to be a Holiday Inn, probably like another mile or two down this way. It's where we originally started staying at before we got the timeshare. But yeah, we ended up getting the timeshare when I was about, I think 11, somewhere around there. So I was a little kid running around this area. And I remember one time I walked, actually it was me and my brother, we walked all the way from the resort, the Four Winds Resort, all the way to the Holiday Inn. Because the Holiday Inn had an arcade, so we had to go there and play. But yeah, it was like a 2-3 mile walk, maybe 3 or 4 mile walk actually. And back then we didn't have a humongous beach. Back then it was breaker walls and rocks. So a lot of times we had to climb up onto the breaker walls and then you get a little bit of beach. But since then they have actually dredged out there and brought sand up on the beach. So now the beaches are pretty big. And I guess every so many years they keep doing that to keep the sand on the beach. Wonderful intercoastal area. This is where I used to jet ski. Used to launch over there, then head out through this way, and right now it's like glass. But when the tides are changing, you know, the water's rushing in and out from the intercoastal area back out into the Gulf, it can cause some humongous waves right in this area. And that was loads of fun with the jet ski. And yes, that is actually where I busted my chin open. That's kind of like why I leave this little bit of hair there, because I got a big scar going across there. So yeah, that's where I busted my chin open.
That was a fun day.
Good times. Val was here for that.
I was here.
My gosh, how long ago was that?
Long time. That
15
was
years ago?
97, 98?
Maybe 98, 99. We started dating in the
I want to say it was maybe 98.
Might have been 98. Whew.
We're
aging ourselves. No, that was like a couple years ago.
Right,
That's all
no, it was just yesterday.
It was yesterday.
I think it might have been 97 because it was early on. I thought when I asked you if I could take a picture of it, split wide open, you gave me a look like I had 3 heads, and I thought, wow, now he knows the real me, and he's going to rethink the relationship.
This is one of those places you always like to stop at. It's the Sea Hagg. They've got the most bizarre stuff here. It is so cool. But yes, Sea Hagg. I mean, come on. What makes you stop is this car over here. It's got tails on it. So Yeah, it's just, the store has just the weirdest stuff. And wait a minute, I see a pick opportunity. I'm a mermaid. Hello, I can't see you from here. There's a plant in the way. Hey Val, you're looking mighty fishy, mermaidy. So if you're looking for some tropical thing that's really unique, this is the place to be. This place has so many bizarre things. And it's, I mean, like things you wouldn't even think would be here. Which is fish. I mean, come on. And what are the prices here? Oh, $389. Okay, so it is a little pricey, but definitely super unique finds. On a giant wheel? This is where you come for a giant wheel. That's a cool cabinet. Hand painted, that is awesome. And another one. Ooh. I don't like that one as much as the other one. But definitely that one I like. But just look at all the crazy stuff. Of course you're going to find fish. Of course you're going to find chandeliers. You can find it anywhere, right? But who else sells old motors? We could take those two. Tiki. Oh, I want that tiki. That would look really good at my house. I think so. I'm picking your nose. Okay. I'm loving this big wheel. This wheel. Can't get it home though. We drove here, but next time we should bring the truck. I always thought like driftwood was really cool. I always wanted it around my house. But they've got lots of driftwood. Some are big. That one, oh, let me get it from this angle. That's a nice big piece. Pretty
this
cool.
one is actually cool. I like
That one.
See that there?
Oh, I see.
This one.
That one. That is cool.
Got a lot of detail. That's the piece.
No way. Now what do you do with that? I don't know, but I want it in my house. An old no-wake thing. Put that in the yard. Octopi. Oh, there's more driftwood over here too. And yeah, like I said, more motors. Boats. Oh, pilings. Sweet. But I just love the driftwood. I don't know why. I don't know why, but I always had a thing for, I always wanted a cool piece of driftwood. But I think if I want to get a piece of driftwood, I'm gonna have to come with the truck.
Under the deck.
But we're gonna have to UPS ship it, I think. Or come back with the truck. We're gonna have to bring the truck here. I'll go home, get the truck and come back.
All right.
Just wait right here.
Hurry.
It'll only be about 2 days.
Look at the bike.
You can wait.
The
Oh.
stations all over.
Look at that. That bike was in the water. It's filled with barnacles. That's cool.
One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. 2 1 by 2 out the door. There you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. 2 1 by 2 out the door. There you have magic.
So yeah, every year.
Where is she,
Whatever we're-
beautiful?
How are you doing?
He's looking for Juliet.
So every year we come here, we've got to check out all the birds because it's just a whole big row of them. Got to stop by and say hi.
Hello. Oh. Hello.
Hello. Another goofball.
Ooh, what's that? Oh. Do you sing? Hello, Maxwell. You are funny. What a ham. What a ham. Come here.
Hello. You crack me up, kid.
Showing off for the camera? Is that your good side? Which side? That side, that side, that side, that side.
Look at this little ham. He comes right up to the cage. Hi.
Oh.
How are you? How you doing?
Hi.
See, a lot of the other birds,
They're sleeping.
they go way to the back.
They're sleeping.
He saw me and walked right up to the front of the cage. A lot of them are really interested
This
in
one,
the...
Yosemite Sam's been here for a while.
Yeah.
And one of them had quite an attachment to you last time we were here, which was years ago. So I wonder sometimes if they don't recognize. Sam, do you recognize Randee?
Do you?
Pretty bird. Now this one.
Okay, I'm a bit nervous. Let me pet again? He was letting me pet. Okay.
Put his head down. He's gonna let.
Oh,
Oh.
he's letting me pet him. It's a little scary because he can take my finger off. But he likes me. I think this was the guy I saw before years ago. He's still here.
Hello.
Hi, little dude. Still freaky. It's still freaky.
One comes around once a day. They don't see things the same. Two walk by two out the door. There you have magic. One comes around once a day. They don't see things the same. Two walk by two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around once a day. They don't see things the same. Two walk by two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around once a day. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic.